Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei is an Italian philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician. He made fundamental contributions to science, including the study of motion, astronomy, and material strength. His studies also significant discoveries of Galileo Galilei, the law of falling bodies. The distance traveled by a falling body is directly proportional to the square of the time it takes to fall. Improvement of the telescope. Galileo improved on the original Dutch invention by grinding the lenses, which increased the magnifying factor by 30 times. This innovation allowed Galileo to make new empirical discoveries. Astronomical discoveries. With the improvements in the telescope, Galileo was the first to observe the craters of the Moon. He also noted Jupiter's 4 largest moons, the presence of sunspots, and the different phases of the planet Venus. As Earth's orbit. Galileo's observations about Jupiter's moons and Venus phases paved the way to discovering how Earth orbits around the Sun, instead of the other way around.